juicy spills on your sofas, don't worry. You have a sofa stain that looks impossible to remove. Don't worry. I got a solution for you. Hey, the first thing to do is to blot the stain with a cloth. This is blotting, not fabbing. Blot. The next thing is take 2 equal parts of vinegar and water, then mix them together equally, right? Then after mixing them together, you put it, then you start to blot or dab over the stain. Dab or blot over the stain. Then lastly, let it dry, or use a vacuum to dry it. But I'm a man who vacuum myself. But now, try it. Thank you again for watching. If you have any problem, please put it in the comment section, then I'll give you an answer, a true and an honest answer. Bye.